Hi, I'm Cristian, MetaWealth's Head of Engineering and Product. From day one, MetaWealth has been a technology-driven company, and our mobile app has always been central to the investor experience. Today, with 20,000 accounts created, the app gives eligible investors access to our 4 asset classes: construction, rental, energy, and private credit. It allows them to discover new opportunities early, carry out due diligence, and review our track record across funded assets. For existing asset holders, the portfolio section makes it easy to manage holdings and track generated income. Recently, we launched several new features designed to make the app experience easier and more personal. The first is our investor guide. It launches automatically after installation and walks users step by step through the early stages of their journey, helping them get familiar with the app quickly. And if they want to revisit it later, they can restart it or resume it anytime from the profile section. The second feature is about creating a more personal connection between each investor and the MetaWealth consultant supporting them. After installing the app, and accessible also from the main menu, investors are introduced to their dedicated consultant who remains their direct point of contact throughout their journey. That means a more seamless experience with guidance, explanations, and agreements, all handled throughout one consistent relationship. The third feature is a short video introduction to MetaWealth, presented by our senior leadership team: Michael Topolinsky III, our CEO, Michael Topolinsky IV, our COO, and Richard, our Managing Director of Origination and Structuring. In just a few moments, they explain the core vision behind MetaWealth and the strengths of our platform, helping investors quickly understand how we align with their goals. And we're only getting started. At the beginning of Q2, we'll be launching even more features to make communication with investors richer and more personal. As we move through multiple asset exits in 2026, the app will evolve to support that as well, with a new track record section and dedicated sections for asset holders to manage their funds after exits. We're also finalizing several highly anticipated features for Q2, including withdrawals to bank accounts and asset unstaking. Looking more broadly at 2026, our vision is to deliver a polished and complete experience for discovering and investing in real assets, while also building a more tailored relationship with every investor. Because information is power, the app will become a key channel for delivering opportunities, insights, and updates. And over the course of 2026, it will also open the door to new DeFi rails, giving investors access to a broader range of tokenized investment instruments.